Hello, my name is Patricia King, and I want to endorse my good friend and comrade in the faith, Dr. Cindy Stewart. She is a thorough mentor. She is well-skilled and very experienced because she's been an executive coach, she's been a personal coach, spiritual coach, she's pastored for many years, and she knows the heart of God. And she knows what He is capable of doing when a life is aligned with Him. And she is just a cheerleader by nature. And I have watched her just breathe life into so many people. She is positive, she's uplifting, and she is loyal. I highly recommend Dr. Cindy Stewart as a mentor for you. Your life will never be the same. People all around the world are looking for mentors. They're crying out for someone to mentor them. Well, you found a really great one in Dr. Cindy Stewart.